Hello, my name is David Isamuji. Welcome to this daily t-shirt design tutorial. I'm your host and I'm here with you with another t-shirt design tutorial. So without wasting much of your time, we'll just get straight right to it. If you're just joining me for the first time, I'm the host, the founder, the creator of What a T-shirt Design. My aim is to show you how to create t-shirt designs that sell daily. Yes, I upload videos daily on YouTube. And if this is something you're interested in watching, please make sure you stick around so that you never miss a thing or two about t-shirt design. I'm going to be going through all the process step by step. I do make t-shirt design with Photoshop and Canva. So it's a mix of Photoshop and Canva. If this is something you love, if it's something you're interested, I want to say keep watching, never miss out, and we'll get straight right to it. I always do this when I have the opportunity to do this. I give a shout out to new subscribers. So thank you all for just subscribing. You guys are amazing. You guys are amazing. You guys subscribe to the channel. I really want to appreciate you guys for that. And before we get straight right to it, I want to say please, COVID-19 is serious, but don't get scared. You just have to stay safe, wash your hands, don't touch your face, stay indoors, keep your social distancing, and we'll be all fine. So with that out of the way, let's get into today's video. And go straight to it. So let's get straight right to it. So to start with, this is going to be a Photoshop t-shirt design video. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make an Hawaii theme design. So I'm going to search for the Hawaii. It's going to be an Hawaii theme t-shirt design. So let's just go look for Hawaii images. Look for a fanciful one, a sweet image. I'll just go with it. So as we scroll through, we just find something we can work with. Just find something we can work with and we work with it. So this is what I do daily. It's not a complicated thing. So I think I like this design. I like this design. I do like this design. This design looks cool. It looks cool, so we can go with it. But let me just scroll. Okay, this looks more interesting. It looks more interesting. So let's see when it downloads how clear it will be. But it looks interesting. I already have a concept in my head of what I want to do. So let's see how this plays out. Already have a concept. So we'll just see how this works out. Let me see if I can find another one. Okay, I think this is the same picture but just a different size. Okay, yeah, I think this is similar picture, just a different size. So we can go with this. So we'll just click on download. I'll save image as. Okay, we already have the sub. So I'm going to copy this sub because I still want to use part of that in my design. So I'll just copy this sub. So I'll just save this. And now I'll go to the next step. Let me go to the next step where I get my flat icons. So I'll go on to flat icons. This is where I get my flat icons for my designs. Please, if you're just joining me, I would advise you don't click off. Please don't click off of this video. It's going to be a super short one. It's not going to be more than 15 minutes of your time watching and learning. These designs will help you in the long run. It's going to make you passive income if you know what you're doing. I made two videos up already on how to get Redbubble tags and the best print on demand site. In my own opinion, everybody has his own opinion, but in my own opinion, I already have 2 videos up talking about that. So please make sure when you make your designs, you start uploading your designs to this site so you can make passive income. My aim for this channel is for you to make money with your design, not just designing for the fun of it. Let's make passive income doing that. So that's my aim with this channel. So please, if you love the idea, please make sure you hit the subscribe button. And we can walk through this together. So with this, I'll just find a skateboard, a surfing board, just find a surfing board. Just find a surfing board. So I would have loved this, but just go and look for another. Just look for another one. I think I saw one at the beginning. Yes, this one. You can use this to just download this image. Yes, the image is downloaded. Now on to the next stage. So I'll open my Photoshop. Open my Photoshop. I use Photoshop CC for my designs. You guys love the design, so I'll keep doing that. Please show your love. Leave your like, your comments. If you need something from me, let me know in the comment down below, and I'll definitely answer you. So we'll just go to File, New. Standard is 4500 by 5400. Okay. So now that we have that, we just click on this padlock to unlock it. Double tap, press OK. So now we have that out of the way. So we'll go back and bring in our first image we downloaded. Bring in our first image we downloaded. We just drag it into Photoshop. Just drag it into Photoshop. Here we have it. Here we have it. So what I plan on doing, anyway, we'll just go through it together. I already had an idea in my head, so what I plan on doing is to put that skateboard below and just write Hawaii under. So if that does not work well, we'll just go with the other ideas, but let's see how that goes. So I'm going to show this. I'm going to bring this into our design. So I'm going to make it a kind of skateboard. So I'll just drag this in. So I'm going to increase it. As you can see, it's quite small, so I'll try to increase it. So I'll over my mouse to this edge, then I'll press down 3 buttons, my Alt key button, my Shift key button, my left mouse key button, and just drag it a little bit. So just drag it a little bit, press enter. So as you can see, so far so good. So far so good. So I'm trying to create an effect from this. So I'll just over where it says normal, I'll just click on it, and I'll be moving my down mouse arrow, my keyboard. So I'll just move it and see if it creates something. If it does not, I'll move it back to normal. Just move it back to normal if it does not create anything special. Sorry about that. So let's move it back to normal since it did not create anything special. So now we just go to text, and for this we'll just increase it to about 30. So we're just gonna put in where. So now that we have that, you can highlight and just make it bigger. Okay, so now you can see it's quite small. It's quite small. So we'll just try to make it bigger. So I'll just do Ctrl T. Over my mouse to this edge, press down my 3 buttons. Again, my Alt key button, my Shift key button, my left mouse click button, and I'll just drag this. Drag this. So then I'll over my mouse to this edge. You see where it gave me that curved arrow? I'll just move it, try to move it a bit. Then I'll drag it again. Sorry. Over my mouse to this edge. Press my Alt key button, Shift key button, my left mouse click button. I'll just drag it. So as you can see, it says a Y. So I'll just press enter. And now I'll just go over and change the colors. So I'll move over to this edge and double tap, color overlay, and I'll just click on this color, and it gives me the option to select. So I'll just select a color, just select a color, just select a color from it. I think I like the blue sky. We press enter. As you can see, the Hawaii is overlapping and I don't want that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create clipping marks. So where it's on this edge, I'll just right click, just double tap, sorry. Okay. Create does not give me that option, so normally I want it to appear inside. I want it to appear inside. I want it to appear inside this. Let me see if I put up the effect. Let me see what happens. So as you can see, I'm trying to get it to appear inside, but it's not happening. So I'll turn effect back on. So I'll just go back to normal and just try to see if I can get this inside. So as you can see, it's not working, so I'll just leave it the way it is, normal. Your designs always come up like that. You just have to keep going. You don't have to stop there. Just keep trying things, and you find something you really love. So this just says Hawaii. So now I'll go back to my Y and create a stroke. As you can see, for that stroke I'm gonna make it green or a darker blue. Don't know which one works best. So just leave it at that. So now that we have that up, we'll just save it. But before we save it, make sure you turn off this layer 0, which is the background, and now you're just left with your design. So you just come over to file, you save as, go to pictures, Hawaii, sorry. So now I'm going to save that as PNG. I'll just click on save. You see that this process didn't take up a super long time to produce. If we check, just about 30 minutes into this, so it's not a super long process. So now we'll go to the next stage, which is very important. If you are still watching me to this stage, I'll say thank you, and you deserve to make it. You deserve to make money, and I pray that you make that money from print on demand, designing your shirts. So we'll just wait for this to load and we'll go over to this next stage. Let me already start the process. So I'll go to pictures, mockup. So I'll just bring in my anger mockup. So this is my anger mockup. So this is still saving. Wait for it to be done saving, then we'll continue from there. So now that we have it all saved up, we just come over. You see this shirt, you see where it says your design. You double tap and just delete those designs you have there. Then you bring in your Hawaii design. So go to pictures. This should be it. So we'll just wait for it to load up. Once it's done loading up, we'll just bring it into the space, into this space here. So this is it. Just drag it and bring it into this space. So now you can see it's quite big and we don't want it to be that big. So you do what I already told you how to do, how to reduce pictures and elements. So you do 3 buttons: Alt key button, your Shift key button, and your left mouse key button, and you drag inwards to reduce. Drag inwards to reduce, and you just press enter. Then go back and save that. Save as picture. Go back and save as, okay, sorry, go and save, go to save. Then when you go back to your design, you can see it's quite big, so go back and reduce that a bit. So do Ctrl T to highlight, 3 buttons: Alt key button, Shift key button, your left mouse key button, and drag inwards. Press enter again and go to file and save that. So now you go back to your shirt. You should have it on your shirt, as you can see. So now I want to change the color of the shirt, so just either I click on that. You see it's on a white shirt. You can change that to black or any color you deem fit, any color you feel is appropriate. So you can just leave it at this, or just find, you know, it's not too dark color, not too dark colors. So this is what I do. As you can see, this yellow, we can leave it at this yellow. It works. So now we have our design. You can see this is our design. We have it on our shirt. It says Hawaii. So now we could just save that. I will increase that. Just turn it a bit. So now we have it on our shirt. Press enter. Just go to file, save as pictures. So save it as JPEG. Now you can promote this shirt design and you definitely get customers. So to your right, you're gonna see a playlist. You can go through those playlists, just watch through those playlists. Make sure you watch through, get familiar with design, and you can come back tomorrow for another daily video, because I will be uploading video daily. I've been doing that from January. I'm not gonna stop that. I'm one of the few t-shirt YouTubers who upload daily. I don't plan to stop now. Anytime I lose motivation, I just look at your comments, look at your views, and it motivates me to keep creating daily. So I won't stop doing that. If you have a concept in mind but you don't know how to put it together, just let me know in the comments and I'll do that for you. To your right, you see the playlist. Make sure you watch those playlists, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video.